Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video we will discuss difference between allele and locus. So what is allele? Allele is an alternative forms of a gene. So it is alternative form. And where it is present? It is present on a locus, that is site on homologous chromosomes. For example, suppose we have gene for height, and this gene for height has two alternative forms. One is capital T, another is small t, and these are present on homologous chromosome. These are two homologous chromosomes. Suppose this is capital T, and on the same locus they are present, you can see it at same locus. So this is small t. So these are present at the same locus, means same site on homologous chromosome. These are two homologous chromosomes. On another hand, locus is a site or location on a chromosome where allele is present. So suppose this is a chromosome, and on this chromosome here, suppose, is a capital D. So this site is called locus. But the sequence of DNA, that sequence of DNA that is present on this site, this sequence of DNA that is present on this site is called allele. It is called allele, but this site is called locus. So allele is an alternative form of gene that is present on certain site on chromosome, and that site is called locus. Allele is a segment of DNA. It is segment of DNA. But this locus, it is not a segment of DNA, it is just a site or location where allele is present. Allele codes for a trait. For example, capital T code for tallness, it code for dwarfness. So allele code for a trait. But this locus, it does not code for any trait because it is just a site or location where any allele is present. So in short, allele is alternative form of a gene. So we have a gene for height, and this gene for height has two different forms. These are alleles. But locus is a place, location or site where that allele is present, and this site is present on chromosome. So this is the difference between allele and